Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Hannah, and today I am bringing you another Mother's Day gift idea using Dollar Tree items. So to create this look, you will need a tea light rose, you will need a glass cylinder vase, a square mirror, a LED light, my own personal custom vinyl decal, some adhesive stickers, and if you don't have a vinyl decal maker, you can definitely just buy vinyl letters to still get the same look or a similar look. You will also need some E6000 as well as hot glue. We're going to work first with this LED light. All we're going to do is take this adhesive bling and we're going to wrap it around the LED light. Now later on I decided to add more than just this row, so you will see another clip where it shows me adding a little bit more of the bling on this light. Now grab your glass cylinder and make sure that you have removed the sticker from it and that you have cleaned the glass, because we're going to work with this next. And what we're going to do to it is add our vinyl decal. Now, like I said, if you don't have a vinyl decal maker, this is where you would add your letters or just forego the step altogether. Now, I've already used mine, so I've weeded it. I've already transferred it to the transfer tape. All I have to do now is transfer it to the glass. So I'm trying to find placement, and once I got it square where I want it, I'm just going to transfer the vinyl from the tape to the glass and remove it. Now adding some of that bling. I had two sizes of the adhesive bling. Some was larger, some was smaller. I'm taking the larger pieces and I want to frame out the cute little saying that I used on the glass. And I'm just going to frame it out, and it looks like this once it's done. I left intentionally the gaps here because the letters kind of extend further than I wanted the frame to be. And then with the smaller size bling, I am just going to create a little design of bling on the glass. Nothing spectacular, nothing special. You guys can make whatever design that you would like to make, or you don't have to make any at all. It's clearly up to you. I just was being a little creative and adding bling because my mother really likes bling like me. We like shiny things. And so I really do hope that she loves this cute DIY. And this is how my little design came out. As you see, I added some bling around the top part and some all up and down the glass. Like I say, just being a little creative. Now we're going to take our pink tea light candle holder and we're going to adhere it up there. But before we do, I'm going to go ahead and take this LED light and I want to show you how I added more bling to the top. So now it should look like this. And since we have it, let's go ahead and adhere it to the glass mirror. So it has a adhesive backing to the back of the LED light. So just peel that off and stick it right there smack in the center of that little mirror square. And that's it. Now let's grab the tea light candle holder, add some E6000, add some hot glue, and add it to the top of our glass cylinder, and that will be it for the making of the cylinder vase. Then we will take that vase and place it on top of the mirrored square like so, without gluing it down, because you want to be able to turn that LED light on and off and change the battery accordingly. So you don't want to adhere it to the mirror glass, so you just want to place it on top. Alright, so this is how it looks placed on top. I have my little sword fighter in the background, you guys. And now we're just going to take it, like I said, and just sit it on top of the LED light. And then I'm going to show you how it all looks with it lit and everything. So take a look now. What a beautiful saying. To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world. This is such a beautiful, touching saying, and I absolutely love it and hope that my mother really appreciates it as well. I would love to receive such a beautiful handmade gift like this for Mother's Day from my kids. I mean, the time that someone took to make a handmade gift is just like it's so much more thoughtful to me than buying from the store. Now, there's nothing wrong with buying a gift from the store because I do that as well. But just to receive one that was made by hand by a person, just to me means even more because they had to take time to think about what to make, time to craft the item and gift it to them. So it just seems to be a little bit more touching and personable. But anyway, I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, it's elegant, it's so glam, and it's so my mom. So I love it, and the LED light just makes it pop even more. You guys tell me what you think about it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Smooches. Bye-bye.